What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a fun unboxing of a bunch of stuff. We're going to unwrap or unplastic a bunch of hype apparel. We're going to do a sneaker unboxing from something that I picked up over at Stockx. And then we're also going to check out my other haul from the Black Friday weekend here in the Philippines. All of that and more in this vlog. Oh, and you have to stay until the end of the video because I'm announcing our next giveaway. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you have to do so because at the end of this video, we are announcing the latest giveaway and you need to be subscribed. You have to follow me on IG and you need to hit the notification bell. Go, guys! I want to get started with the sneakers because the apparel part is the most fun part of this unboxing. So let's start with the sneakers. Now, I'm not all about just the hype sneakers, guys. In fact, I love collecting sneakers that aren't that expensive, but at the same time just look really amazing. So this is a great example of that one. This is something that I bought from Stockx. I'm a huge fan of Stockx. I'll put the link down below to the video that I made where it teaches you how you can buy and sell sneakers from Stockx while you are in the Philippines. So check it out if you guys are curious. So let's get to the box. So obviously it is a New Balance sneaker. If you take a look at the box, it's blue, red, and white. So if you take a look at the side, it says there New Balance 580 size 12. This is actually a collaboration between New Balance and Bait featuring Storm Shadow. Yeah, Storm Shadow from G.I. Joe. So here's a look at the sneakers. I'll take it out of the box so you guys have a better appreciation for what it looks like. I mean, take a look at that intensely good looking sneaker. You have suede for the upper in some sort of gray color. You have the red that just pops for the laces as well as that part of the midsole. You have some sort of like blood splatter along the back and inside of the shoe, and you have some sort of ninja symbol here at the edge of the laces, and then yeah, more stuff happening for the outsole. So it is a crazy looking fantastic sneaker. Inside the insole you even have like the cobra signal of G.I. Joe, cobra symbol of G.I. Joe together with the logo of Bait. So there you have it. This is my first sneaker pickup so far. Well, not first. Well, it's been a while since I bought something from Stockx. So this is the one that I ended up copying. So if you take a look at the other pair, you have the Stockx certified seal over here, and then you have the rest of the stuff, which includes like a card saying that you should promote it, and then it even has like some sort of Stockx sticker in the box. So here you have it, guys. I think I got this all in a little less than 6,000 pesos, which isn't that bad considering the quality of the sneaker. I mean, take a look at all of the materials that they used for this one. That suede is just amazing, and the color just pops. It's also a collab, and I just love the overall artistry and design of the shoe. So you don't really have to pay ridiculous amounts of money to get good sneakers. All you have to do is find good deals wherever you can find them. Now let's get to the apparel because this is where it becomes a little bit more fun. Now this is something from Supreme, and this is Supreme briefs. Yep, this is Supreme Supreme underwear, guys. This is Supreme Hanes boxer briefs. Now I don't want to take it out because I'm giving it away, so I don't want to give you guys unboxed or unwrapped or unplastic like briefs because that's just weird. So it says there Supreme at the very top in red and in bold. Then you have the white color for the rest of the underwear. This is, what size is this? This is size large, so 36 to 38 inches. And yeah, it just looks really crazy. I mean, it's not every day you see Supreme underwear. This one sold for like 4,500 pesos. It's being sold at Shoe Game Manila. So I did a review on that sneaker store. Link down below just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. And again, we will be doing a review, or not a review, giveaway of this one. So watch until the end of the video. We're not done yet. This time we have Supreme socks. So you have Supreme written at the top, and then it is your typical white crew socks, which has ankle support and all of that cool stuff. So yeah, you have 4 cushion crew socks with this packaging that has Supreme lettering at the very top. And this one also sold for 4,500 pesos, I think, again, over at Shoe Game Manila. Now, I will be doing a giveaway of this one, but not for this particular video, not for this particular vlog. So currently, this is what we have up for grabs, Supreme underwear. I don't want to stop there. This is a shirt that was sent to me by Feed Your Feet Manila. This is actually a Yeezy Calabasas pink shirt. So it is a long sleeve shirt. It is size large. Yeah, it looks really cool, but it isn't my color. So what I want to do, instead of just having it here, I want to raffle it away for you guys. So again, thank you Feed Your Feet Manila for sending this over. I hope it's okay with you guys that we share it with our viewers. So yeah, this is an item that I'm also giving away. So far, we have 2 items already for this giveaway. The Supreme Briefs. Ooh, imagine all the videos that I'll be doing in the next few days saying, welcome to the vlog, please subscribe to the channel because you get the chance to win Supreme underwear. Whew, that'll be crazy, right? But anyway, so yeah, you have like Yeezy Calabasas long sleeve shirt to go with the Supreme Briefs. Is that enough for a cool giveaway? You know what? We're not yet done. I think it's missing one more thing. There is this really nice Street Fighter cap that I was able to pick up over at New Era. So it is Street Fighter New Era. It is officially licensed. So it even has like all the Street Fighter characters here at the bottom. That really fantastic embroidered Street Fighter logo here at the top of the cap. It's a I think it's a snapback cap. But anyway, yeah, so it is officially licensed by Capcom. So we are also throwing this in. So now you have 3 items for the giveaway. You have the Supreme Briefs, you have the Street Fighter New Era cap, and you have the Yeezy Calabasas shirt. Whew, this is going to be a really fire giveaway. But wait, there's more. Hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dyan. You need something for your bracelets, for your wrist. So we are throwing away this something sent to me by the good folks over at Trilogy Merch. This is a Champion Rastaclat in color, let's take a look at it, red. So those are now 4 items on the giveaway. Oh, by the way, here's the fun part. I am just giving this all away to one person. So one winner. One winner gets the briefs, gets the cap, gets the Champion Rastaclat, and gets this really cool Yeezy Calabasas shirt. Now you're probably thinking, oh, just one winner. So let's spice it up a bit. I have this razor that was given to me by Shave Manila. I'll put a link down below to their Instagram account. They're sending over like 5 high-quality razors worth 700 pesos each. We will be giving away 5. So now we will be picking 6 winners total. One winner will get all of the Supreme stuff, the shirt, and the Champion Clat, as well as a Street Fighter cap, while 5 other winners will get the chance to win the 700 peso razor, which works freaking amazing, guys. One of the best razors I've ever used. How do you join the giveaway? It's very straightforward and very simple. Just leave a comment down below greeting everybody in our community Merry Christmas, and then put your IG account, IG handle as well down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and hit the notification bell. I will check all 3, so you have to do everything to be able to be part of the raffle. Oh, and don't bother spamming because the tool that I use actually filters out all the spam. So don't bother posting multiple times, it doesn't count. And to end the video, I just want to do one more unboxing. This is the Nike High Supreme Vandal that I also picked up during the Black Friday sale over at Titan. If you guys weren't able to see my review of the ZX500RM Alpha Type, which was another pair that I picked up during the Black Friday sale at 20% off, I'll put a link down below just in case you guys haven't seen that one yet. So this one comes in your typical Nike swoosh box in color red, and if you pop it open, oh wow, again, this just looks so amazing. It's in black, and it has like a trace outline of white with a gray swoosh, and it has like some sort of strap here at the top. So this is what the sneaker looks like. And can you guys guess how much this cost me? This cost me 3,800 pesos. That is a fantastic price for a sneaker of this quality. I mean, wow. It is friggin' amazing. If you just take a look at the design, the style, and you top it off with the killer price, I think it was really a steal. Thanks again to the Black Friday sale over at Titan Philippines. So I won't do anymore a full review of this one. Instead, I'll just share with you guys what I will not show you what happened, but pretty much everything just fell along my side. So let's just go back to the video and I'll fix what fell down in a bit. So again, this is the Vandal. I already fit it, so it does fit a little bit snug. So I should have gotten like either a half size up or something. But yeah, it's super comfortable. I just love the overall style. I bought it really for the style more than anything else because I just love the fact that it looked like some sort of sketch with the white outline, the white emphasized outline along the sides of the sneaker. So yeah, guys, this is my second cop for the Black Friday weekend sale here in the Philippines. So yeah guys, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of stuff that we're about to give away, so make sure that you are part of it. Again, let me just repeat. One winner gets the Calabasas shirt together with the Supreme underwear, the Street Fighter cap from New Era, and this Champion Rastaklat from Trilogy merch. 5 other winners gets a 700 peso razor. 700 pesos to just shave your face. So we have a total of 6 winners. Good luck to all of you. Again, all you have to do is to comment down below, greet everybody a Merry Christmas, and put your IG handle. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And with that, let me greet all of you advanced Merry Christmas. I love all of you guys for supporting the channel. It means the world to me that you guys are tuning in almost every day, watching the videos that I do. It means the world to me that you guys come up and we talk in random. I'm just really overwhelmed and humbled by the love that you guys have been giving to the channel. So I will make it the point to really keep doing as many giveaways as I can to just show you back and give back that love to you all. So that's it for now. Peace, God bless, sabay-sabay tayo. What's up? Boom! I know when it comes to like the next vlog type of part of this video, I just show you like a picture or videos of the shoes that I'm about to review. But to end this one, I just want to show you all the sneakers that we will unbox in one mega unboxing tomorrow. So please make sure that you guys tune in 7 p.m. here on the channel.